Alright, welcome to the syllabus video. In this video what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through the syllabus and kind of walk you through some different things in here that I want you to pay attention to. So to get to the syllabus, you can click here on the syllabus schedule on the left. It'll also take you straight there through your weekly assignments module as well. Wait for this to pull up. So within the course syllabus, you'll have all our course information, a description, the schedule you can find in a different document in that same folder. It talks about our course objectives and outcomes and what we're focusing on, how you'll be assessed through exams, quizzes, assignments, your Connect online material, that's your textbook material, and your behavior change project. Within our grading policy, you can see that the behavior change project, the unit exams carry a really heavy weight in this class. So you want to make sure that you're prepared for those exams when they come up. We'll have 4 exams throughout the semester. And your behavior change project, you want to make sure that you stay up on top of that. And so I'll do another video here where we talk about the behavior change project. It's a little bit different than the rest of the stuff in class. The behavior change project is going to be a back and forth between you and I to really dial in those ideas and make sure you have a positive experience with that. All right. Below is the textbooks and required materials. Your textbook, you've already paid for your textbook. It's in what we call Include Ed. So when you go into that Connect site, which is one of your first assignments this week, when you sign up for Connect, that'll give you access to the textbook. Linked to our textbook is all of our quizzes and our reading assignments. So that'll all be within there. If you have any questions on that, please don't hesitate to reach out. The other thing I want to mention is the course expectations. So if you look there, you'll notice that I don't accept late assignments. All assignments are due the Sunday of the week they're assigned unless they're otherwise marked. And it'll be pretty clear what is marked to last more than a week. Our behavior change project, little mini steps 1.1 through 1.7 are outside of this. So when you get a chance, go look at the behavior change project video and I'll explain how that's going to work and why that's a little bit different than the rest of our assignments in this class. You do get 1 free pass. So say you miss something. I know it happens. Life happens. And you miss something. Please let me know. You'll have a 1 free pass for the semester. Please let me know when you're going to use that free pass. You can either do it within the comments or write me an email, say, hey, I'm going to turn this in. I'm going to use my free pass. And you can turn something in up to 3 days late, 3 business days, so Monday through Friday. So if you miss something, you'll get the weekend plus 3 days, so you have like till Wednesday of the next week to get it in. If you have any questions on that, please let me know. But yeah, make sure you're getting all your stuff done every week. I understand that stuff's coming up, and if you know stuff is going to come up and you're going to have a tough week, please communicate with me and we can make some arrangements to push some dates if we need to when stuff comes up. But you want to do that before it comes up rather than afterwards. Yeah, I understand things happen, and just communication is key in that situation. The rest of the stuff on here is stuff that was once found in the institutional syllabus is now in the regular syllabus. So things like the technical skills that are involved, the etiquette expectations, civility, academic integrity, all of that stuff you can read through there. Once you've read through the syllabus and understand it, please go take the syllabus quiz and affirm that you understand everything within the syllabus. If you have any questions, please reach out. Let me know. Thank you very much.